a building, an architect plans for environmental and visual requirements that satisfy what they had visualized in the beginning without forgetting the design according to when counting problems and conditions towards the building. Choice of materials and the maintenance in which are put together to form these building elements, such as the foundation, walls, and the design of floor and roof, depend largely upon their properties depending to environment requirements and their strength. The process of choosing the material are very related to the condition of nature in order to successfully conquer all sorts of problems. Material selection and design selection for a building must be appropriate with the consideration of the environment impact and material influence towards a building.
Roofing structure is essentially the frame and the structure of roof depending on the type of houses. We have three functions of roof. Firstly is for human protection, second is water protection, and the last one is protection of possession. We have four factors of roof design. The first one is weather resistant, the second is structural stability, the third is provide good appearance, and the last one is provide thermal isolation.
Tray ceilings are usually seen in dining rooms and kitchens, constructed outwards in a cutout that resembles a tray. It has a rectangular center which either pops out or inverts in order to add an effect. Four factors of design selection. The first one is budget, the second one is design, the third one is functionality, and the last one is style and effect. For construction method, there is 14 steps that we need to look at. Okay, for tool use, the first one is glue, pin roller, sandpaper, tape, sanding block, joint compound, T-presses, and chalk. For the last one is advantages of tray ceiling. They have four, which is beautiful height, enhanced volume, tight solidity, and functional.
The function of floors is to create more accommodation within the restricted space and also to provide support to the occupants' furniture and equipment of a building. Let's look at the factors of selecting for flooring. The durability is important because we want tiles that are easy for feet and make sure that the installation for tiles is less expensive and less time consuming. Let's look at the constructing methods, which is the operation needed before and after taking up flooring work. Laying all services such as cables, pipes, plastering, and fixing of doors should be completed before and after that. Grinding of stone, honing of stone, and also polishing of stones is needed. Here we have chosen ceramic floors, and one of the advantages is ceramic floors are highly durable and it can last over 20 years. But despite that, it is called flooring.
Step is a set of steps forward to make it possible to pass to another level. We have four factors of design. First one is material, second regulation, third design and style, and the important one is a budget.
In this project, we must know the relationship between the nature and material selection. Besides, we need to understand few factors in choosing what type of design that suits to the building. It is important in order to construct something without forgetting its aesthetic value. When it comes to installation of selected materials, you need to consider the installation process. Maintenance will help to keep the building looking good for long. Quality of material and design should be considered because good quality building materials usually require less maintenance than cheaper materials.